Hello everyone, it is John and it is an unboxing video today, and it'll also be a grooming video. Well, no, it won't be a grooming video. His lordship's gone through a whole heap of cobbler's pegs and I'm going to have to unpick him. But look, we're going to have a look at the world of SMOG, Rise of Moloch. And I'm really impressed and quite happy to have picked this one up. So let's go have a look at what's inside of this box. Right, we are having a look at an unboxing of a game that I picked up at a second-hand buy swap. Well, it wasn't swap, I think it was mainly sale, board game sale at a local club, the League of Extraordinary Gamers, and this was one of the ones that I picked up. And look, honestly, the reason why it got me was essentially the miniatures, because I'm always looking for games that I can use miniatures in. So even if the game itself is not a lot of chop, I am quite sure that I will get more than enough use out of what the game entails. So I actually did get SMOG. There was a miniature game for SMOG ages ago that I did pick up, and it's been languishing for years. They had some very nice figures for them, and I confess I never went any further. But anyway, let's have a look at what's here. So we've got a campaign book. So these are the first things off. What have we got? A rule book, a campaign book. So the rule book is, I do apologise for the glare. Let's see if I can get it at an angle. So we've got 24 pages, so that's not too bad. Colourful. Game overview. Oh, I like that. Gentleman's dashboard. Yes, it's already tickling my fancy already. Oh dear, I can remember these characters. Yeah, there were some really nice miniatures for this game. So I am hoping that it will be a good one. So anyway, there we have the rules. So, yep, 24 pages. Then we have a campaign book. So there's the standard. So it's set in London, 1888. So I like the got zombies, all sorts of campaigns in that. So which is looking good. So I like the looks of this. Yes, so there we go. That is the rules. Now next is, oh okay, what have we got here? Lots of sealed bits and pieces. Let's see how well I can get some of this unsealed. So the I do apologise for the barking dog. I'm looking after a friend's dog at the moment. Pippin, be quiet. So the card is certainly the game board card is nice and thick. These are thin. I'm not sure what they're in relation to, but again, nice and thick card, I assume, which deals with the game board. So the you know, I can see these being used, say, even for, you know, for Call of Cthulhu role playing or any sort of steampunkish style, even for, you know, D&D. Exceptionally exceptionally good. I'm quite pleased with what's here, and it's all printed on nice thick cardstock, so I do quite like that. Then we have down here, these are the game boards, it would appear. Again, I've not played the board, so I can't... Oh, I've not played the board. Yes, very good, John. Yes, we're away with the fairies. I'm already unable to articulate correctly. So, but these obviously must be the tiles that are laid down. Again, I do apologise for the glare. But, oh, I do like these. Lots of good use for many different games for people who like to use miniatures in their role-playing or any other sort of... So these here are these are the characters, and I do remember, let's see if I can get this off without destroying too much. Yes, Major Dreadful. I think I might actually have that figure. Emma Swanson. Abigail Sutherland. Walther Cavendish. Drago. So you've only got 4, unless there's... No, so there's only... Pippin, be quiet, please. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so you got 5. Yeah, only 5 characters. Pippin, shush. Sorry. Pippin! No. Yes. It's also school holidays, I should point out, so there's probably a little more traffic happening around my streets than usual. And of course, trying to find some quiet time. Maybe this week's not the best one, but if I don't do it, I'll probably forget it. So these would appear to be, oh, Killer Clowns. Shambling, Tobias. So these must be the monsters, or the adversaries, shall I call them. Oh, I like that. Royal Guard Zombie. Entertaining. So some of the... Oh, okay, so so there's lots of interesting... I love the artwork. Artwork is really nice. And we have... What are these? Probably dealing with... the Pippin? No. So yeah, so these look like the player reference cards. Pippin! Yes, so they look good. I do apologise for shouting for everybody. It's very difficult trying to... My dog does not like having other dogs staying here. He's a very territorial puppy. You know, you see the other videos, he's very quiet and very placid, which he is most of the time. So these are interesting, you know, obviously special custom dice. So they've got all sorts of top hats and that. So yeah, they look nice. We have some standees, and then there's a whole heap of cards. So what are the cards like? Ooh, nice and slippery, I know that much. So there's all sorts of all sorts of cards as to what they do, but the quality is quite nice. The artwork certainly, I think, fits what the theme is. So, yeah. So I will leave that as that. I don't think the cards are going to change a hell of a lot as it continues. So that's a whole heap of cards there. And then, of course, these are the important, well, the last bit of this is the so here we have the models on 2 sets of trays. So we have, I must admit, these are really, really nice. Really nice models, these. I could see them being used, you know, there's the Undead Royal Guardsman. Top hats, these are the really, really nice. You know, just for the figures alone, I would have to say they're brilliant. And so, you know, there's the player characters. So they're there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Must be that one there. 5. Then you got these police officers with their. Yeah. So no, I'm rather intrigued and quite. Oh, there we go. Killer clowns. Clowns. Who doesn't like a clown in their games? So look, that is the unboxing of. So I can pull the pull this all away so everybody can see the cover again. That is The World of SMOG, Rise of Moloch, a Victorian adventure game. So if you've played it, let me know what you think. Look, I'm just really happy, you know, for just for the figures. The figures themselves, I think, are brilliant, and I'm really happy with that. So till next time, signing off, the Honourable John.